Hello learners, this is Habeeba with Excelwithme. If you like the video, please do like, share, subscribe and comment below. Let's start today's class, that is Central Teacher Eligibility Test Paper 2 Social Science, Social and Political Life for Class 6 NCERT, Unit 3 Local Government and Administration. We have covered already Unit 1 and Unit 2, that is Diversity and Government. Now we are going to start with the fifth chapter of Unit 3, Panchayati Raj. Practice question number 1. Which meeting begins with the Panchayat President, who is also called the Sarpanch, and the members of the Panchayat, the Panchs? Option A, Gram Sabha, B, Ward, C, Gram Panchayat, D, block level. Answer, Gram Sabha. The Gram Sabha meeting begins with the Panchayat President, who is also called the Sarpanch, and the members of the Panchayat, that is the Panchs. Question number 2. Find the incorrect statement. A. The Gram Sabha is a meeting of all adults who live in the area covered by a Panchayat. This could be only one village or a few villages. In some states, a village meeting is held for each village. C. Anyone who is 18 years old or more and who has the right to vote is a member of the Gram Sabha. D. The work of the Gram Panchayat does not need to be approved by the Gram Sabha. Answer, option D. The work of the Gram Panchayat does not need to be approved by the Gram Sabha is the incorrect statement, because the work of the Gram Panchayat has to be approved by the Gram Sabha, needs to be approved. Question number 3. These are the very important points related to Gram Panchayat which we should know. First one, every village Panchayat is divided into wards, that is smaller areas. 2. Each ward elects a representative who is known as the ward member or Panch. All the members of the Gram Sabha also elect a Sarpanch, who is the Panchayat President. The ward Panchs and the Sarpanch form the Gram Panchayat. The Gram Panchayat is elected for 5 years. So these are all the 5 points we need to remember. Any question can come from these points. That is, village Panchayat divided into wards. Each ward elects a representative, that is known as ward member. And also they elect Gram Sabha, also elect a Sarpanch, who is known as Panchayat President, and also the ward Panch and the Sarpanch form the Gram Panchayat. Now the Gram Panchayat is elected for 5 years. Question number 4, that is points we have to understand related to the Gram Panchayat. Number 1, the Gram Panchayat has a secretary who is also the secretary of the Gram Sabha. Second, this person is not an elected person but is appointed by the government. Third, the secretary is responsible for calling the meeting of the Gram Sabha and Gram Panchayat and keeping a record of the proceedings. So these are the 3 points related to Gram Panchayat we have to understand. The next one is the Gram Sabha, very important. First point, the Gram Sabha is a key factor in making the Gram Panchayat play its role and be responsible. It is the place where all plans for the work of the Gram Panchayat are placed before the people. The Gram Sabha prevents the Panchayat from doing wrong things like misusing money or favoring certain people. It plays an important role in keeping an eye on the elected representatives and in making them responsible to the persons who elected them. So these are the very important points related to the Gram Sabha. Now next question, what meets regularly and one of its main tasks is to implement development programs for all villages that come under it, that is Gram Sabha, B, ward, C, Gram Panchayat, D, block level. Answer, Gram Panchayat. Gram Panchayat meets regularly and one of its main tasks is to implement development programs for all villages that come under it. Next question, state whether true or false. First, in some states, Gram Sabhas form committees like construction and development committees. These committees include some members of the Gram Sabha and some from the Gram Panchayat who work together to carry out specific tasks. So we have to tell true or false. A, 1 only true, B, 2 only true, C, both are true, D, both are false. Answer to the question, both are true, because in some states Gram Sabhas form committees like construction and development committees. These committees include some members of Gram Sabha and some from the Gram Panchayat who work together to carry out specific tasks. Next important points we have to remember: the work of a Gram Panchayat includes 1. The construction and maintenance of water sources, roads, drainage, school buildings and other common property resources, and then levying and collecting local taxes. 3rd, executing government schemes related to generating employment in the village. So, these are the work of a Gram Panchayat. Now, sources of funds for the Panchayat, where do they come from? First one, collection of tax on houses, market, places, etc. Second, government scheme funds received through various departments of the government, through the Janpad and Zilla Panchayats. The third one, donations for community works, etc. So, these are the sources of funds for the Panchayat. Now, question number 10, state whether true or false. 1. The Panchayati Raj system is a process through which people participate in their own government. Second, the Panchayati Raj system extends to 2 other levels. So, A, 1 only true, B, 2 only true, C, both are true, D, both are false. So, answer, both are true. The Panchayati Raj system is a process through which people participate in their own government. The Panchayati Raj system extends to 2 other levels. Now, state whether true or false again. First one, in rural areas, the Gram Panchayat is the first tier or level of democratic government. Second, the Panchs and the Gram Panchayat are answerable to the Gram Sabha because it is the members of the Gram Sabha who elected them. So, option A, 1 only true, B, 2 only true, C, both are true, D, both are false. Answer, both are true. Next, the Panchayati Raj system, we have to remember the points related to this. That is, first, it extends to 2 other levels. One is the block level, which is called the Janpad Panchayat or the Panchayat Samiti. Second, the Panchayati Samiti has many Gram Panchayats under it. And then third, above the Panchayat Samiti is the District Panchayat or the Zilla Parishad. So, we have to remember all these related to Panchayati Raj system. One is the first tier, that is block level, which is also called Janpad Panchayat or the Panchayat Samiti. So, the Panchayat Samiti has many Gram Panchayats under it. Now, above the Panchayat Samiti, what is it here? District Panchayat or the Zilla Parishad. Next, find the correct statement or statements here. First one, the Zilla Parishad makes developmental plans at the district level. Second, with the help of Panchayat Samitis, it also regulates the money distribution among all the Gram Panchayats. Option A, 1 only correct. Option B, second only. C, both 1 and 2 are correct. D, none of the above. Answer, both 1 and 2 are correct because the Zilla Parishad makes developmental plans at the district level. Now, with the help of Panchayat Samitis, it also regulates the money distribution among all the Gram Panchayats. 14. Find the incorrect statement or statements here. First one, within the guidelines given in the Constitution, each state in the country has its own laws with regard to Panchayats. 2. The idea is to provide more and more space for people to participate and raise their voices. So, A, option 1 only incorrect, option B 2 only, option C both 1 and 2 are incorrect, option D none of the above. So, answer to the question, none of the above is incorrect because both are correct statements. Within the guidelines given in the Constitution, each state in the country has its own laws with regard to Panchayats. The idea is to provide more and more space for people to participate and raise their voices. Now, let us understand quickly before winding up the difference between Gram Panchayat and Gram Sabha, very important. Now, Gram Panchayats in the lower tier of the Panchayati Raj date functions at the village level. Then Gram Sabha is the legislative body that operates at the village level. Now, the second point, it is a temporary body. Gram Panchayat is a temporary body, Gram Sabha is the permanent body. Now, the Gram Panchayat consists of ward members and Sarpanch. The Gram Sabha consists of every person whose name is registered in the voter list of the respective village. Now the Gram Panchayat, the main objective of Gram Panchayat is to develop the village and focus on the welfare of the village. Now the main objective of the Gram Sabha is to help implement the development programs and schemes of the Panchayat. Now the members of the Gram Panchayat are directly elected by the members of Gram Sabha. The members of Gram Sabha are not elected. So these are the points we have to understand related to the Gram Panchayat and Gram Sabha difference. So we come to the end of this session. If you like the questions and the topics, please do like, share, subscribe and comment below. Thanks for your attention and time. Happy learning.